Hey guys, it's Matt with Ace That Q, and today we're going to be making pulled pork on the Traeger. Stick around, and as always, check the description below for the recipe and all the items used on today's cook. So we're lucky today that we really don't have to do too much to our pork butt. Just has just a little bit of a fat cap on the top, which is what I like, and really there's nothing that needs to be done to it. So we're going to go ahead and put our binder down, which today we're going to be using the W sauce. It's a really good little sauce. So we're just going to pour a little bit of that on there, rub it in with our glove. Go all around the pork butt, flip this bad boy over, and do the same thing. Then we're going to come back through with Spiceology's Smoky Honey Habanero. And sprinkle about 50% of this onto it. Make sure you come around and get all them sides. And we're also going to be using 5280 Culinary's Island Boys Coffee. Do about a little layer of that on as well. Now that we got this thing seasoned up, we're going to take it out to the Traeger and we're going to put it on at 250 degrees. As we put it into the Traeger, I'm going to slide that meter probe into it. That way we can monitor our cook. All right, the pulled pork is finally done resting. So now we brought it up here, we shredded it, and I tell you what, look at that bark on that thing. Man, that looks good. Now a little trick that I like to do is that after I shred it, I like to come back through and then sprinkle some more of that rub that we used on there. So that way it gets all over the meat. So we're just gonna do a little bit of 50-50 with the Island Boys coffee rub, and the rest of it with the Smoky Honey Habanero. We'll mix all that together, and it's time to dig in. Enjoy, guys.